Hey YouTube, this is John with Space City Easy C coming to you with a knife video this morning on a kind of a off-brand. This is a old Ram. They call it a 3-blade trapper. So we're going to unbox it here, take a look at it, and see what it's all about. It comes in this box here. I got this online. I'll tell you a little story about it here in a second when I get done. We can see it's made in China. It's going to be one of your budget knives. And this up, take a look at it. First thing we don't want to do, we don't want to eat that. Okay. Got this nice little box. Comes in. Pretty nice little foam insert there. And they call it a 3-blade trapper. It's the Texas Star version. Got little nickel bolsters. Same thing on the liner. Doesn't have a star on the other side. It looks like it is. Don't think it's a sticker, but the finish is pretty nice. I don't see a lot of separation back here. It's a 2-spring lockback, or 2-spring conventional knife. This is non-locking, spring back design, but it's going to have 3 blades on it. I don't know much about this old Ram company. Got the clip point. It's got this little etching there in the blade. And if you can see it, it's the other side. There you go. If I can get my camera to focus, which it never wants to focus. Okay. Hope I don't make a seasick with this, but anyway, what that has on there is the stainless steel type. So let me get out a magnifying glass and get a better look at it. Nothing is working today. There we go. Maybe we'll do some good here. That's a 3CR. CR. Looks like 7 stainless steel. Three CR13 stainless steel. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe there you go. 3 CR13 stainless steel. So that's not the greatest on the stainless steel there. Pretty low grade. Grind's not too bad on the blade. Got the nail nick. It's a little gritty. Coming in and out. A little lubrication will probably take care of that. But I mean, it's pretty smooth, you know. But first thing you notice on the blade alignment, when you look at this, we got a bent blade. Even though this spay blade and the clip sheath point share the same spring, but this one's bent. So we'll get this one out and take a look at it. think this one's going back. Yeah, got a bent blade. It's very thin steel. It's not. There's no blade play, but definitely bent. So, and it's not that it affects the function of the knife, because the knife still functions. Got decent snap, for a budget knife. I think I paid $20 for this online at Walmart, but this is a Spey blade. Not too bad. Pretty good snap on that one. But this one, the clip point is real gritty coming through there. It's really gritty. So much it, yeah, definitely. So, I love the Texas design. That's the reason I bought it. But I like to collect things with the Texas flag design on them because I'm from Texas. So, kind of a little side hobby of mine. But anyway, I don't know if I would want to keep this. Let's go ahead and get some blade measurements and stuff, though, since we got the knife out. The blade is just almost, it is 2 7/8 inch long with a working edge of 2 5/8 on your clip point. Open length is going to be right at 7 inches, just under 7 inches, looks like 6 7/8. The clip point, sheep's foot, I'm sorry, I keep calling it clip point, is 2 1/8 with a working edge of just about 1 3/4 inch, 7/8. Shame that blade is bent. Not a big deal, but I don't really like it. Hopefully that's not a sign of their quality control. But your Spey blade is 2 inches, and it is just over 1 5/8 on the cutting edge. So that is the measurements, and unfortunately, the fit and finish isn't too bad. Well, I've seen worse, even on expensive knives, but yeah, I don't. Sheep's foot blade is definitely bent, so more than likely we'll be taking this one back and either exchanging it or maybe using the money to get something else. But just wanted to put that out there. This anybody thinking about buying one, or maybe you got some experience with this company. It's the first one I ever bought from them. But it's the old Ram 3-blade trapper, they call it. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And you guys have a great weekend. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care.